Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. Can I still do disability benefits hearings, or disability benefit? Well, it should be benefits because a lot of you guys are Title II, Title 16 filings, concurrence. Can I still do disability benefit hearings during the coronavirus pandemic? Yes, you can. You can reject to do them and have them be done in person. Or if they were VTCs to begin with, just do them telephonic, because all you're doing is missing out on being in front of a computer screen. If you don't know what a VTC is, just Google one of my other videos. The bottom line is, yes, telephonic. Here's how they work. The judge's clerk will call usually the rep and, the judge and the vocational expert first, and then look at the attorney, and then they'll get the claimant on the phone. The judge will go ahead and add some new COVID details, which is the judge can be the only one recording. The judge can, if we get disconnected, he'll reconnect us. The judge is in a secure location, and you need to be in a secure location so that your privacy is protected throughout this hearing. Why? Because they're going to be talking about alleged onset dates, state loss insureds, your social security number, things about your claim that are personal and private. Not everybody wants the world to know if they have HIV or if they have some sort of unique viral infection or some sort of whatever. People don't want people to know that they have an IQ that's a certain. It doesn't matter. It's private. So, yes, are they still doing hearings? Absolutely. Are they taking a little bit longer to schedule? Kinda, but not really. They're pretty much catching up at this point, because the reality is these telephonic hearings, albeit they're super late to call you. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, they're calling me 15 minutes early, everything's amazing. They're calling 30 minutes at the least to an hour, hour and a half kind of land to start the hearing, which isn't a big deal for attorneys like me who have the same judge for a bunch of hearings on the same day. It is a big deal, to be fair, when I have a hearing at 10:30 with one judge and then a hearing at 11:30 with another judge, because then all of a sudden this one's running over and we don't know when this one's going to start, and if this one has a non-rep claimant and the non-rep claimant doesn't show up, or for the telephonic hearing it doesn't answer their phone, then all of a sudden they're ready, and these guys are we get into this whole where do they fit into the equation. So that's something that is happening a little bit right now, but it's not the end of the world. Everybody's pretty much completely aware of what's going on in my super squeaky chair. All right, let's go ahead, and I really need to fix this chair because I can just feel it's ready to either murder me or be fixed. Either or would work. So can I still do disability benefit hearings during the coronavirus pandemic? Absolutely, you can. They are just all being done telephonically. So congratulations. If you like doing things on the phone and don't like being in front of the judge, that's awesome. If, however, you're an individual with a cane, you look older than you're stated, ages, you have an emotional pull, meaning that you really connect with people on an emotional level with your hearing, on a human to based interaction sequence where you're just you're able to draw somebody in on a story so that they believe the impairment and the suffering that you've gone through related to that impairment. You might want to go ahead and postpone the hearing and go and wait for an in-person hearing. But that's totally up to you. And of course, as an attorney, go ask your attorney. If your attorney hasn't called you or spoken with you or anything for a really long time, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. Don't call me upset and then ask me to represent you, because it sets you off on a poor foot with me. All right. A lot of you guys do that. And I get it. You have to throw up the emotion of being angry at the other attorney, and I get it, and that's fine. But, just like I didn't do that to you. I get it, Okay. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. In some of these other videos, I'm going to be introducing some of the products that have quasi-sponsorship now with. One of them is a really cool company that's making really great masks. I mean, look at the three-dimensional based structuring of this particular mask. Really like the texture. As you know, I'm nautical. I have 5 boats, so I just really think this is incredible. I just actually donated to the company's Second Wave masks 2 giant bins worth of high-end fabric, and we're talking like $50 a yard fabric, because I'd really like to see what that person can do with them. And she's really talented. She's a really great person, and she kind of blows me away at every step of her process of creating things and things like that. But either way, I'll introduce those in other videos, and then we'll kind of go from there. If you have any questions, you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me a call, give me an email. Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and remember, you're amazing, you're special, don't get sick. If you're already sick, don't get other people sick, and just try to do the best that you can. All right? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.